the Magikcraft server's control panel, and you can see over here on the left this server is being updated. This is like a Jenkins output and streamed in here. Over here you can see on the main server there's one player online, TKC59. It's Takashi from Japan. There's a few of the other servers that are running, no one on them at the moment. This is all an extra section inside the Magikcraft spellbook, which is at play.magikcraft.io. You've got spells, you've got quests, packages, which at the moment is managed through this manage plugins piece, and servers control panel. If you've got a Magikcraft server, if you're a Magikcraft server administrator, this is where you do all the things.